All right there, boys and girls, here we are with day 17 of our February daily math. All right, looks like we have the digits 2, 7, and 1. What is the greatest number you can make using these three digits? So we have to use the biggest number in the hundreds column, which is our 7. And then the next largest number is a 2. And then our 1. So 721 is the largest or greatest number we can make. Number 2, write 3 odd numbers that are less than 19. Well, the first odd number we could do would be 19. And we could do 15. And how about 7? You could do any number there. You could do 17, 5, 1, all kinds of them, as long as they are less than 20 and they're odd, right? Number 3, choose one of your odd numbers and write it here. Okay, let's go 15. Show how you know that your number is odd. Okay, well, I'm going to say, I'm going to put this in halves. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and there's going to be one over here of it as a remainder, and that would give us our 15th. Okay, so we're going to put it in 2 equal piles, and if there's a remainder, it's odd. Okay, so we had 1 left over. Number 4, which would you rather have? 5 cents a day for 4 days, or 1 quarter? So let's see here. 5 cents a day for 4 days. Let's count by 5s 4 times. 5, 10, 15, 20. So they'd have 20 cents, or 1 quarter, which is 25 cents. So you'd probably want the quarter, right? Quarter, because it is more. It is worth more. Okay, last one, number 5. Instruments played by students. There's piano, violin, and then it's also split up between boys and girls. How many more girls play an instrument than boys? So we need to combine, because it doesn't say just the piano or just violin, it's total, right? So 5 plus 2 is 7. 2 plus 1 is 3. That's not our answer, though. It's not how many girls play. How many more girls play an instrument than boys? So now we have to total up the boys. 7 plus 7 equals 14. And 1 plus 1 equals 2. Now we are going to compare those two answers. Again, that's not our answer. Boys, right? It's not the total boys. It's the difference between the girls and the boys. So 7 minus 4 is 3, and 3 minus 2 is 1. So how many more girls? 13 girls. All right. That's it, boys and girls. We'll see you tomorrow for day number 18.